What's up guys, this is FX. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very good quick strategy that you can use even as a beginner to make money consistently from the forex market. And this strategy works preferably on gold, but you can also use it on other pairs in the market. And this strategy actually involves you using one indicator. Yeah, I know a lot of persons have talked about indicators not working, lagging and all, but I tell you, indicators that are momentum based, they do not lag. They actually work perfectly well. So I'm going to be showing you right now. Now this indicator, it's called stochastic oscillator. Now stochastic oscillator has different ways you can use it, but this particular way is the way I've come to discover in the market, and of course works perfectly well when you use it the way I use it. So now this is my MT4. So if you want to put this indicator, you simply go to your indicator tab and then you click on the main chart, the plus sign, and then you go straight up and look for stochastic oscillator. Now you can see it right here, stochastic oscillator. Now you click on it. Now the default parameters for this stochastic oscillator comes as 533, but in this particular strategy you're going to be changing this first parameter figure right here. You're going to be changing it to 14, and you leave the rest at 33, and then the price field, you leave it at high, and you leave it at simple, and of course you also leave it at 3 pixel. So you enter, you click done, and then the indicator has already come on your screen. So now how do you use this indicator? Very simple, very simple. Now the basic thing you need to understand concerning this indicator is that stochastic oscillator, we have from number 1 to 100. Now this number 1 to 100, from number 20 to 0, it's called oversold, and then from number 80 to 100 is called overbought. So this is very important in this strategy. Now if it runs above the 80 line, if those two lines run above the 80 line, meaning it has overbought, and then if it runs below the 20 line, meaning it has oversold. Now how do you use the strategy? Now the strategy is very simple. You're going to be looking out to when it crosses either the overbought or the oversold. Now are you going to be trading right after it crosses the overbought? No, you are going to be waiting for something like this. Now you can see, now it crosses right here, it crosses right here from the overbought, and it came down. Now it didn't touch down to the oversold. It comes up a bit and did a little turn. Now this turn right here that it did is what you are going to be looking for. So you'll be looking out for it for either in the sell zone or in the buy zone. So now as soon as you look, you get it right here, you open your entry for a sell. Now look at it. As you can see, it came up right here and it came down. He didn't touch, and then it go up right again and turn down. So as soon as it's turning down right like this, you open your position for a sell. Now you target it when it crosses down again, and then when it's trying to go up, you exit the market. So that is how you can trade with it. Now let's just do some back test and see some of the past events that actually happen with this strategy. Don't forget, this is on gold. You can actually use it on other pairs, but preferably on gold, it will work perfectly well for you. Now as you can see right here, it happened again right here. When it crosses the overbought level, it came down right here and did another turn here, which is right here, as you can see. So after it did this turn coming down, you can open your position for a sell, and the sell will go perfectly well. I tell you, this indicator do not lag. Like many traders think indicators don't actually work. They do not. This indicator do not lag. Now look at it right here again. It crosses right here, and then it came down. It did something like this, and then you can actually open position for a sell, and you target it when it's down, and when it's trying to go up, crossing the line up again, you can exit the market. Now let's just do some back test again and see. Very good. Now you can see it right here again. It crosses right here, and then when it came right up, it did a little turn, and then as it's trying to go up, you can open your position for a buy, and it will actually go straight up. Now let's just check back. Very good. Now you can see again, it crosses right here, the overbought level, and then it came down. Now you have to note something. When it comes down, anytime it crosses to the oversold level, that entry is invalid. So don't take an entry when it crosses maybe something like this. It crosses here and came back and cross here again, and no, that is not how to trade the strategy. So now let's just go back again and see. Very good. Just like I told you, it crosses right here, overbought, and then as it's coming again, he did a turn, and then you can open your entry for a sell. You can open your entry for a sell. Now look at it again. It crosses right here, which is oversold, and then it came again, did a turn. So as it's trying to go up, you enter the market for a buy. Now let's just check and see again. All right, now it crosses right here, which is oversold level, and then it came again, it did the turn here, and then it gave you a perfect position for a buy. Then you open your trade, and then you can ride it up to this level where it's about to turn again and trying to cross this line, and then you can exit your position. Right, so that's how the strategy actually works. Very simple way of getting some good profit from the market. Very simple way of getting good profit from the market. Even if you're a beginner, you don't actually have a winning strategy, you can actually start with this one, and then you'll be making good profit from the market. You'll be making good profit from the market. Now I hope this helps you to understand how to actually get good profit from gold pair, especially in the market, and then keep you consistently making profit in the forex market. Now until I see you again, keep making every pip count. Peace out.